Yep, Jackson High School is going to be closed tomorrow. No school for the kids. Yippee for them. Emmons Community College is canceled for tomorrow, so I'll be working at home. I'll be studying at home tomorrow. Whoa, 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 whoa.
See?
Yeah.
This is what I'm talking about. This in the bottom is ice, right?
Yeah.
They closed this one?
Yeah, it looks like they did. Hey, don't go.
Like a 5-9.
I ended up not towing a car. Could you keep them on the top of the list? And I'll be clear, boys.
Lincoln 5-9 clear.
Two King 41.
2 King 41.
Show 2 King 3. She gets the red with me, so go ahead and show us both clear. Boys.
2 King 41, 2 King 3 clear.
I say that's because there's multiple spit. There's probably some really bad black ice down there.
Feel like a 3 on scene.
2 Lincoln 3 on scene.
Okay, let's roll it up.
Did it close with your garage door?
I'm pretty sure we did. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. You want me to call Mom to make sure?
Phone, make sure. Since I don't remember I closed it.
Okay. Yeah, I recall that on the radio while we were out, they say traffic control somewhere. And I said, where? It's like, oh, right there.
God, there's ice.
Yeah. Instead of going 30 miles per hour, we're only going 15 miles per hour.
2 Lincoln 41.
2 Lincoln 41.
I have a vehicle over the embankment, 56 and 168.
206,
2
168
Lincoln
vehicle
41 on the
ran into
vehicle,
the
56 and
embankment.
168.
Hey Mom, can you check if the garage door is closed? Yeah. Yeah, if it's not closed, close it. Alright. Looks like you can make a right turn down there.
Everybody come home. This is
2 Lincoln 41. Are you with a Ford Explorer?
Yeah,
Copy.
Guys, we're gonna go home.
Yeah.
I don't wanna run my car. I'm chicken. Oh.
Yeah, Brandon, he get used to that type of weather every time, even if it's snow combined with ice.
He got no choice. It's Minnesota.
They metabolize themselves to get used to it.
We get used to in the rain.
Eastern Washington, they get used to the same weather as they're dealing right now.
Oh, look at that guy, so spinning. Oh, I hope my car's not spinning. Thanks for Andrew to driving. Moreover guy. I get used to driving in the Stevens Pass.
Yeah.
I don't like this.
Yeah, this is the same exact weather as Stevens Pass. It's just there's a handful of other folks. They don't get used to the weather up at Stevens Pass. They panic, you know, or they became overconfident, thinking they can handle it when they don't know how to experience that. They get into a wreck. That's why it seems like we always have problem in Western Washington.
707.
Myself and 2Q2 will be in route to traffic hazard.
707 and 2 King 2 en route to Bothell Everett Highway and Seattle Hill Road.
Bothell Everett Highway and Seattle Hill Road. What's...
Can I tell them at direct on 62nd?
297 with 2 Lincoln 4, 4 Lincoln 52.
There's no line and nothing.
What's going on the right side? It looks like people are turning right towards where the State Patrol come off.
155.
Yeah, it was a vehicle at 9 and, or correction, 204 and Vernon Road.
Sushi open.
155, 1951. Lincoln 85 is at 196 and Highway 99, and there's juveniles playing with snowballs in the roadway.
Juvenile play
You gotta be kidding me.
in the highway 99.
Local patrol, portable activated by 1155, out with a vehicle 204 in Vernon Road.
Blocking semi westbound 180.
route from 595.
Lincoln 3 with a blocking semi 188 33. 1070
God, that's so busy.
Yeah, I think State Patrol, I think... Uh-oh.
4 Lincoln 59.
What was it? Juvenile complaint with the highway 196?
It's at 196 and Highway 99, playing with snowballs in the roadway.
Snowball in the roadway.
Receipt.
And that was enough to set off the emergency tone on this frequency.
707.
I think it's a day. There's a car.
North to 153rd on 557.
Yeah.
Multiple vehicles.
707 north 153rd on 57.
What?
So ice on it.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, slow way down if you're gonna make a right turn. In fact, stop in advance. Just like if you do it in a train, stop in advance.